Welcome to Car Injury Lawyers, your trusted source for legal advice and guidance. Today, we're diving into an important topic, bicycle accidents, and what you need to know about your legal rights. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or someone who enjoys an occasional ride, understanding your rights can make all the difference if you ever find yourself in an accident. Bicycle accidents are more common than you might think. In fact, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, thousands of cyclists are injured or killed in accidents each year. Many of these accidents involve motor vehicles, and the consequences can be severe. That's why it's crucial to know your legal rights and the steps to take if you're involved in a bicycle accident. If you're involved in a bicycle accident, the first few moments are critical. Here's what you need to do. Ensure your safety. Move out of the way of traffic if possible. Your safety is the top priority. Check for injuries. Assess your injuries and those of anyone else involved. Call 911 immediately if anyone is hurt. Call the police. Even if the accident seems minor, it's important to have a police report. This will serve as crucial evidence if you need to file a claim or lawsuit. Gather information, get the driver's name, contact details and insurance information. If there are witnesses, collect their contact details too. Take photos of the accident scene, your bike and any injuries. Seek medical attention. Even if you feel fine, see a doctor. Some injuries aren't immediately apparent but can cause problems later on. Determining liability is a key part of any bicycle accident case. In most cases, the driver of the vehicle involved is at fault, especially if they violated traffic laws, such as running a red light or failing to yield. However, there are situations where the cyclist might be partially or fully at fault, such as riding against traffic or not obeying traffic signals. In some cases, a third party, like a pedestrian or another cyclist, could also be liable. Filing an insurance claim after a bicycle accident can be complicated. Here's what you need to know. Auto insurance. If a vehicle was involved in the accident, the driver's auto insurance will typically cover your medical expenses and damages. However, the insurance company might try to downplay your claim. Be prepared to provide all the evidence you collected at the scene. Health insurance. Your health insurance can cover medical expenses, but it may require reimbursement if you receive a settlement from the driver's insurance. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. If the driver doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough coverage, your own auto insurance policy may cover you if you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. It's important to keep detailed records of all your medical treatments, bills, and any correspondence with insurance companies. When it comes to compensation, there are several types you may be entitled to. Medical expenses. This includes all costs related to your treatment, from emergency care to rehabilitation. Lost wages. If your injuries prevent you from working, you may be compensated for lost income. Property damage. This covers the cost of repairing or replacing your bike and any other personal property damaged in the accident. Pain and suffering. This is more subjective but includes compensation for the physical pain and emotional distress caused by the accident. Punitive damages. In cases where the driver's actions were particularly reckless or malicious, you may be entitled to punitive damages, which are intended to punish the wrongdoer and deter similar behavior in the future. While you can handle some bicycle accident claims on your own, there are situations where hiring a lawyer is essential. Serious injuries. If your injuries are severe, a lawyer can help ensure you receive full compensation for your medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Disputed liability. If the driver's insurance company disputes liability, a lawyer can help gather evidence and build a strong case on your behalf. Insurance company tactics. Insurance companies may try to minimize your claim or deny it altogether. A lawyer can negotiate on your behalf and, if necessary, take your case to court. Hiring a lawyer can also give you peace of mind, knowing that a professional is handling the legal aspects of your case while you focus on recovery. After a bicycle accident, it's easy to make mistakes that could jeopardize your claim. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Not calling the police. A police report is crucial for establishing liability and providing evidence for your claim. Accepting a quick settlement. The insurance company's first offer is usually lower than what you're entitled to. Don't settle until you've consulted a lawyer and understand the full extent of your damages, not seeking medical attention. Some injuries aren't immediately apparent. Always see a doctor after an accident, even if you feel fine. Failing to document everything. Photos, witness statements, and medical records are vital to building a strong case. Keep detailed records of everything related to the accident. Knowing your legal rights is important, but it's equally important to take steps to protect those rights. Here's how. Follow traffic laws, always obey traffic signals and signs, and ride with the flow of traffic. Wear a helmet. A helmet can protect you from serious head injuries, which can complicate legal claims if not worn. Stay visible. Use lights and reflective gear, especially when riding at night or in low light conditions. Be prepared. Carry a phone, Idaho, and insurance information with you whenever you ride, so you're ready in case of an accident. Being involved in a bicycle accident can be a traumatic experience, but knowing your legal rights can make the process less overwhelming. By taking the right steps after an accident and understanding the compensation you're entitled to, you can protect yourself and your future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and share it with fellow cyclists. Ride safely, and remember, knowledge is your best protection on the road.